Married life is an adventure, and you embark today on that adventure together.
I've been dreaming to wake up next to you every morning. A kiss out of the blue. I've been waiting for you my whole life, and this moment made it worth the time. My heart's been longing for belonging. Ooh.
We are gathered here today as friends and family to celebrate with Jocasta G and Nicholas Oak as they proclaim their love and commitment to the world.
Joe, I would like to be the first to welcome you to the Oak family. The two of you are surrounded by people who are all so happy to be part of your special day. I speak for everyone here when I say thank you, and I hope that we have all helped in one way or another to be part of your wedding day to remember.
If you both come freely and understand the responsibility and the work involved, and are committed to not only each other, but your family and God, please look at each other and reply, "We do."
We do.
Nick, you bring me more happiness than anyone really deserves. Today, I join my life with yours, taking you as my husband and joyfully loving you without condition. On this day, you're giving me the honor of becoming your wife. I knew from the beginning of us that it would be you. I look forward to spending the rest of our lives together. You are unwaveringly supportive and always on my side, and I will be your anchor as you have become mine.
Jocasta, I love you with all my heart. You are the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Today, I take you to be my wife as your biggest fan and partner. You are the most confident woman I have ever met, and I absolutely love that about you. Your true beauty and unrelenting devotion astound me every day. You make me want to be a great friend and partner to you. I truly believe that together we make each other better people.
Even though you are individuals, your vows today make the couple more important than either of you separately. Please join me in wishing Jocasta and Nicholas every happiness possible and a long and joyful life together as husband and wife.
By the power vested in me by the state of Tennessee, it is my very, very much honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, kiss your bride.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it too.
We all came from near and far, and especially with us living in Alaska now, we don't get to see many of you anymore, and so this is just a blessing to see our favorite people here and just to celebrate this day, and we are so incredibly excited for you. So we hope that you will now come and grab a cupcake and join us on the dance floor and just eat, drink, and be merry. Thank you.
You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. With blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore, and I will be with you forever. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours.